What up guys, welcome to a new video. So today's video is going to be a bit different. It's going to be about a pocket bike I got for free. I got the bike for free off my girlfriend's uncle. I've been wanting to buy it off him since maybe last year I think. But I never really told him that I wanted to buy it because I was too shy to even say anything. I'm about to show you guys the bike. It's right behind me. You could kind of see it. It's in my room. And I'll tell you guys the plans for it and everything I've done to it so far. So guys, this is a pocket bike. I was gonna paint it. That was my plans for it. That's why this side doesn't have any stickers and this side does have stickers. Also, I was sanding down the paint on the gas tank cover. I didn't do such a good job on that. It's my first time doing it. I don't know how to properly sand it down, but yeah. Let me just tell you guys what I've done to the bike so far and everything I replaced to make it run. So first thing I did was I got a new brake handle since it was all broken. I got a new throttle with the push start. It works. The old one, it kept twisting. Like you see how this stops right here? The other one just kept going. So I replaced that. I replaced one headlight. I think it was this one. As you can see, it's a whole different pattern. The next thing I did was I replaced the carburetor. Because one day I took it over to my girlfriend's house because I wanted her brother and her dad to ride it. And that day, it decided to freaking break down. Like when you put gas in it, it just didn't move and it shut down. So I replaced the carburetor and that really worked because the bike feels faster. It goes up to 30 miles per hour now. Also, I replaced this pull start. I didn't record that because I didn't know I was actually going to drop this video because not many people are interested in pocket bikes anymore. And I got a new battery. It's not in yet. It's charging right now. But it works. The horn works. The turn signals work. The headlights work. And yeah, it's really fun to ride. I did fall off of it once. I did like a whole front flip because I was getting too close to a curb and I couldn't turn. I know. It sounds dumb, I couldn't turn. But yeah, I hit the curb and I ended up flipping the whole thing. So I didn't plan on dropping this video if I'm being honest with you guys because no one's really interested in pocket bikes, but I have no other option. I want to drop a video because I haven't dropped one in like 3 weeks. This is the only video that is complete. I am recording more at the moment. I'm filming, I'm editing, and I'm waiting to film some more for those videos because I need to complete them. So yeah, I'm waiting on parts for the K-Van. I'm waiting on parts for the S14. I'm waiting for tires for the K-Van. If I had the tires by now, I would have been dropped that video of the K-Van's new rims and registration. That's the title of the video, guys. Sorry, my eye's itchy. It's probably gonna be hella small now. But yeah, this is the only completed video, so I'm sorry guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video still. Peace. So what you're seeing right now is me taking off the brake handle. So I'm just taking off this brake line. I'm gonna unscrew the screw and just break this little plastic piece off since it's already broken. So right here I'm taking off the throttle since I do need it to be off to install the new brake handle. I don't know why I didn't take it off in the first place, but I just ended up taking it off after. Now that I got the new brake handle in, I am going to be struggling to put in the brake line. And since I did struggle to put in the brake line for like an hour, I ended up just loosening up the brake line from the front tire. And by doing this, I'm going to get a bunch of more play on the handle. By doing this, the brake line is going to be way easier to pull back and just put in where it's supposed to go. So now here I'm just gonna adjust the brake handle to where I want it to be. Now I'm just gonna pull the brake line out and tighten the bolt, and we're done with the first one. So with this part, I'm installing the new throttle, but for some reason, I don't know why I didn't record myself actually install it completely. So at the end of this clip or the next clip, you're gonna see a different pattern on the handle, and for some reason, that's the old handle, and I don't know why I didn't record it. I'm so confused myself. So let's just pretend that handle that you're looking at right now is a new one. What you're looking at here is a new gasket and a new carburetor for the bike, since the original one is not working anymore. So real quick, I'm gonna just take off the plastics. Okay, so this is what it looks like with no shell. And I'm gonna empty the gas tank. Now that I emptied out the gas tank, I'm removing every single screw there is to get to the carburetor. So this is the air filter right here. I'm taking it off. It has like 2 bolts, so once those 2 bolts are off, I'm gonna be able to get to the carburetor. There we go, got it exposed. I don't know how I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna start. Oh, and it just came off like that. I'm gonna scrape everything off with this. So I cleaned it as best as I could with the little blade. So now I'm gonna just figure out how to take this off and this one off. I'm gonna do this real quick and get back to recording. Damn, this one doesn't come off. I'm gonna try to I'm probably gonna cut it off like the very edge. So I just ended up cutting it, bro. There was no way this was coming off. It's just so in there. But anyway, this is the old. This is the new. I don't really see any wear on it, just for this little rip. Bro, no wonder I couldn't take this shit off. Look how fat this shit is, bro. What the hell? I'm struggling to put it back in now. I got this back on. Alright, so I connected everything. You can see. But yeah, everything's hooked up. I'm about to screw everything back in and try to turn it on and see if it stays on. Alright, so this is all screwed on. But before I put this on, I'm gonna clean it. You can see all that gunk. And then I'm gonna put this on. I'll probably clean that as well. And we'll try to start it up. Actually, fill it up with gas first and then try to start it up. Put everything back together. Looks good. Feels good. Put gas and try to start it. Put some gas. I'm gonna try to start it. I hope it doesn't blow up. I accidentally dropped gas down there. So I'm gonna try to turn it on. Up for like maybe 5 minutes and try to ride it. Yeah, it worked. I just drove it around the neighborhood. I'm gonna put it all back together. So real quick, I'm gonna try to disconnect the battery and take it to AutoZone. I'm gonna try not to take any of the plastics off because it's so annoying taking it off and putting it back on. Once the battery works, I'm gonna see if I connected the headlights and the turn signals in the right place. I might have connected the turn signals to the headlights and the headlights to the turn signal cable. So I'm gonna rewire everything if I did it wrong. Damn, I don't even know what this is, yo. What the heck? Why is it coming out this way? God damn it. I'm gonna just take the whole plastics off real quick. This one's real bad. I'll probably ask people at AutoZone if they know how to connect it or if I'm missing something. So these are the things I was missing for the battery cable ends, and as you can see right here, they're gonna be a bit too small, so I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver and open them up a bit more to make them fit. So now that they fit, I'm gonna now connect it to the cables and see if it works. So this is how they look once they're on. I did have to cut the cable a bit, but they fit perfectly fine. Alright guys, so this is the pocket bike with all its body parts on and the battery as well. Don't make fun of me for holding the battery up like this, but the battery is getting held on by an aux cord. Just look at how bad the original paint is. You see it's glossy here and sun fade. I'm gonna grab the key. It goes in right here. And once I turn it, that turns on. So these are the lights. And when I brake. The horn. Turn signal. Yep, only that one works. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys made it to the end, thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. I was riding the bike around the neighborhood and this guy that lives in front of me was looking at me, so I asked if he wanted to ride it. So this is him riding the bike right after I fixed it. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and next video will actually be a car. Peace.
I gotta give me one, bro.
That shit's fast, huh?